Good morning and welcome to the channel. It is definitely a nice early start. Metal plastic. I know they take they'll take them like as long as it's not a ton of it. So take a little bit of it. Good old satellite dishes. And sure, you got a radar gun, something like that, right? Pew pew. Anything else? Any kind of goodies? Any other thingamajiggies? No? Well, to start, we're no longer empty. Planter box. Boxes. More interested in the bed thing. Sure. The gate's down, so of course we got something big, and it just happens to be one of those fancy dancy walking machines. Ooh, it's a big one. Come on. Or not. I know you got wheels, don't you? Nope. Alright, well. It's got wheels somewhere. It rolls too easy that way. Alright, come on. On you go. Alright. Well, that's a start to the load, isn't it? The wheels, I don't know where they're at. They're not there. It don't roll like on its flatness. Oh well. Time for it to get some accurate. Now listen, Scrap, we're gonna win today. This isn't your rodeo. Alright. We're close. Okay. We'll go with that for now. I guess one of the challenges about scrapping at night is sometimes you just miss things. And that's kind of what happened here. We just missed it. Found it in the long run though, yeah. So has a nice home right here. Now and again, I kind of cleaned the section out. Guesses on what it's gonna be? How about a grill? A grill that has definitely seen better days. It's missing the rollers. It's full of trash. I can't take you. I'm sorry. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna need to put that somewhere. All right, well, let's work our way with two wheels. So I want it to face this way. What is that smell? For a grill that only has 2 wheels, you want to move a lot. Oh. All right, I'm gonna find something to do with this. Got a trash can, I'll put it in. We're starting to get a little bit of daylight. Got a few things here to grab. I just realized what that was. Ooh, car parts. You got any more? Piece of aluminum. Napa shocks. There's a wire right there. Oh, it's open. Got a strap. Is it all here? Need the bottom part. Grease gun. No, that's it. I did not have the bottom part, the ratcheting part. I'm gonna leave them open because they're open. Some wire that goes to a light. Bag full of cans. Nope, that's about it. Nice little stop, really. We did found some stuff. That's the plunger for the grease gun that we found earlier. All right, well, nice little dig pile. Dishwasher. Okay. It is all the all metal one. Boxes. Let's get the back down. It's actually gonna be a little bit heavier. Metal ones actually got good weight to them. Alright, I want you right up under the grill. If you'll fit. Oh yeah. Nice. Getting a load. I see the few things we got here. Who doesn't like a good umbrella? The ironing board. It's the blue variety. Can't forget about the crutches, right? And check. Well, I think that'll do it for this stop. Everybody's going to the LEDs. I don't blame them. I will go to the LEDs as well. That's good enough for now. Until we need to make it better. Still overcast. Don't know when it's gonna clear up. We do got a chance of rain like always, but it's not supposed to be later. Yeah, what? 3 vacuum cleaners now, one day so far. What do you got going on here? Nice bundle of cord. I mean, it's hard to beat them. All that we got yesterday, plus this, I'm doing a pretty good bit so far. Oh, and a bag of cans. I mean, you can't forget about that. Why does that smell like corn? It smelled straight like corn. Maybe I'm craving corn. Go eat some corn on the cob. All right. 2 vacuum cleaners, check. Stroller. Clothesline pole, I'm thinking. Yeah, it's metal. I've seen them in plastic before. They don't really hold up in the plastic variety, but metal seems to do okay. We go where your friend the umbrella is. And that'll be good enough for now. Nom 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 nom. Not much to say about a lamp, right? Oh, it's so pretty. Really pretty on the back of the truck. Trailer. Beautiful. Yum. And go. I got everything over there. We got something that we got to get up here. A dryer. Check. Yeah, nice addition. Got room for a few more things though. Let's try to find them. We got one of these big microwaves. Dogs are saying hello. Kind of how it always works, right? Gotta have the one. I don't want the tray. Get that tore apart before we get to the yard. Okay. Let's see if we can finish. Yeah, we can. No need to take in the board if we don't got to. It's a little piece of metal, but yeah, we'll get it all. I see it, it's coming. It only takes a few seconds to jump out and grab it anyway. I don't want to stick. I don't want to stick though. Craftsman Edger, 2.5 horsepower electric. Broom brooms. Then a blower. Need a bitty one. About 2 weeks ago, we picked up the base and the motor for this, and I guess they decided they didn't want the other parts neither. God, that's a big fan cage for real. Got us another one of these above counter microwaves. Two to tear apart. Well, we got us a pile and a half. Almost too much to take in, isn't it? Start grabbing as we go. Come on the back side. That's where the good stuff sits anyway. Coax. Baseball bat. Some craft paper. That's a lot to take in. Another weed eater, it looks like. Where are you at? Ouch. Don't brute force things. Well. Oh, well, there's the old monitor. There's some cordage. Coax. We'll cut that. Wow. Don't have the tools to take this apart today, so unfortunately. Full noodles. Go back on the back side again. Back over here in this thing. Tire. Squeegee. Sorry, I'm just processing is gonna be the word I'm gonna use, because it's a lot. I'm hoping that I can get a good bit out of it, but that's a lot to take in.
Is anything worth a flip?
Scrap metal. Oh, sorry about that. I had a person say when you're wearing headphones it's a bit louder than it's just what are these things? I don't know. I'll look them up before we just head out. Pillows. There's some metal in there. Call that good enough, I guess? I'm gonna Google's that, see what that is before we head out. It's plastic. That's a rim. I seen the tire, wasn't sure if the rim was there. It's a steel rim too. Oh. All right, well, call that good enough? Some terracotta pots too. Okay, well. We're gonna call that good enough. Is there more here? Probably. I would take the terracotta pots too. They're broke. That one's broke. Those look like some type of VHS. Coax. Box of nothing. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna call it good enough. All right, so the plan is to put that right there. That's the plan. I may have to take the sides off of them, but everything goes as planned, then it'll go. Oh, easy. Like it fit. And put it. Ta-da. I am gonna put a strap across it though, kind of keep it from doing stupid stuff. Well, there she is. That is today's load. Could have put some more little stuff in here, but to be honest, the route's the route. It's over with. Did take the scenic route to get to the position we're at, but was gonna start taking these apart. Battery's dead on the drill. This will be another day thing, so it'll be on the load tomorrow. That's where it'll be. But we're gonna head up here. We're gonna get this unloaded and kind of see what it weighed and what it paid. All right, sorry about that. Talking to Randall for a second. Guess he can't see. Let's get it finished, see what it weighed and paid. All right, well, we are unloaded. We're at this beautiful park. Sun decided to come out today. It's gonna be another hot one, but next week's supposed to be in the low 90s, mid 80s. It's gonna be a nice next week. But what did it weigh? It weighed 900 pounds, 6 cents a pound, $54. Not bad for a day out for a few hours. We do still have the 2 big microwaves to kind of deal with, I guess. If my drill was charged, and because I started, if my drill was charged, they'd be apart and they'd be at the scrapyard right now. Still got to process some cordage. Nice bundle of cords today. Cans, yeah, I should drop them off too. Just a lot of things that shoulda, coulda, woulda, but didn't. But yeah, look, I do have to say this, y'all are awesome. We did pass the 6,000 sub mark. Hopefully I'm going to continue that little bit of that sub count and trying to get up there, you know, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000. Who knows what Lord has in store for us. And you know, y'all are a great community, a lot of great information, a lot of positive people. Y'all are really, yeah, you know, y'all are inspiring. Y'all, I can't say it. Y'all are really inspiring, and for everyone that's, you know, made it to this point, thank you. That's y'all are truly like 58% of the people that is what should you know, our duration time's about 58%, which is not bad. But I digress, talking about rambling on and doing that kind of thing. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Leave a comment down in the description. Y'all are a community. Help each other, help me become better, and we'll grow together for sure. So on that note, goodbye. We'll try to hit it tomorrow, try to fill the trailer. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Bye.